Hi guys, so you should have read pages 7, 8, and 9, and the questions that one of the questions I gave you guys to look for an answer while you're reading was, why is Elena disappointed by the cards that arrive in the mail? So I found that answer right in here. So it says, so the postman, they're there looking at the mail, and Elena's saying their congratulations cards in honor of the new baby, her dad exclaimed. Elena rolled her eyes. What about my birthday? She asked. Are we going to have a party this weekend? Mom promised we could. Elena's father didn't have a chance to answer. He heard Isabella crying and he rushed off to help. So why is Elena disappointed by the cards that arrive in the mail? So what I'm understanding from my reading on this page is she's disappointed because instead of birthday cards, they're cards for the baby. So I'm going to put she is disappointed because we have to answer in complete sentence, guys. She is disappointed that their cards that they, I need to put my apostrophe R-E, that their cards for the baby, not for her birthday. So I would say she is feeling pretty jealous of this baby. And it's understandable. It's her birthday. Birthdays are special, and it seems to be getting kind of looked over because of the baby. So another thing I noticed here, I highlighted the word birthday. So up here I'm telling you, I put for you guys that it's a compound word. So compound words is, as you probably remember from us talking about throughout the year, is two smaller words put together to create a new word. So like in birthday, if you break it up, it's birth, birth is one word and day is the other, and they put them together to create birthday. So as we continue reading, I want to look for some other compound words. So I see one right here on the same page, weekend. It's made up of week plus end, and you got weekend. So I want you guys to be thinking about some other words that are compound words, and I'm sure there's some more in this story. So I have right here any and way. It's made up from the word any and the word way and put together, and anybody. So there's a lot in this story. So let's look at this little worksheet. So it says that we are going to create compound words by using the words on the left column and the words on the right. So right here, I already know, because we already found it, if I put birth and day together, I get birthday. So let's look at every box, every end, every book, every corn, everybody. I know everybody is a word, so I'm going to connect those. Pan, pan box, pan in, pan book, pan corn. Not finding a word yet. Pancake. Yes, that is definitely a pancake. Is another word. Week. Week box, weekend. Definitely weekend. Basket. I see it down here. Basketball. And note. If you write in your notebook, pop and corn makes my favorite snack, popcorn. And I almost forgot mail and box, where we get our mail. So we have made quite a lot of words here. So let's type them in. So we have birthday. We have everybody, pancake, mailbox, weekend, basketball, notebook, and popcorn. And we have ourselves a little list of compound words. So let's see, we can make a sentence. I already know which compound word I want to use. So I'm going to put this up here and I'm going to put pop and corn and make my compound word popcorn. And then my sentence will be, I love to eat popcorn. And now that we've been at home so much, I am eating a lot of popcorn, guys. Almost every day. So let's go back to our reading. So like I said, throughout your reading, I want you guys to be looking for some compound words. Also, we had talked about exclamation marks, and we should be looking for those as we read as well. Here's one right here. I wish she had never been born at all. They put that exclamation there. So that tells me she's saying it with some real expression in there. All anybody does is pay attention to the baby. So you can imagine with those exclamation marks that she's yelling this. The other thing that helps you know that she is yelling this is the illustrations here that the author has given us. So in every page, there's an illustration, there's a drawing. So the illustrations accompany text to help the readers visualize the character's actions and feelings. So looking at this picture here, if you look here at Elena, just looking at that picture, I can see she looks like she's yelling. You can tell by the way that they have her hands drawn, the way that her mouth is open, and the look on her face. She looks like she's kind of shouting this, whatever she's saying to her. And then if you look at Nina, compared to Elena, she's smiling. So that tells me she's happy. And Elena is not happy. So the illustrations are there to help us understand the characters better, understand how they're feeling. If we look here at this page and look at the illustration, Elena has that look. To me, she looks like she's just got a kind of a whatever look on her face, like she's annoyed with what's going on. And of course, Nina again looks happy. She looks happy to me on every page that she's been in so far, and even her dad seems to be okay. So remember that these illustrations are the author's way of helping us understand the characters a little better and what they're feeling in the story. So the question you're going to be answering and in your reading that you're going to be doing is, how does Elena feel about being a big sister? So you're going to answer this question. You're going to, of course, get your answer from your reading, but look at your illustrations to help you with your answer as well. And what you're going to read is pages 8, 9, 10. You're going to read pages 8, 9, 10, and 11 for your reading for today. So happy reading, guys, and make sure you answer your reading questions, your comprehension questions that I will put in a Google Doc for you. Talk to you later. Bye.